remember another relaxation. Something just good there. Yeah. And relax, relax, relax. Oh my gosh, okay, fine. Good. And have a lay onto your back.